Welcome back, guys. So in the last video we have created three different screens for card, contact and orders, and in this video we'll be linking these pages with the navbar, okay, with these links: view card, view orders and contact us. So for that, what we have to do is to go to home.dart file, to this file, and we already have created some links inside our drawer. All right, and now as we have already created the children here, now we have to create one container, and inside the container we have to include a child, and the name of the child will be, now we'll be using gesture detector. Okay, why am I using gesture detector? I'll be telling you after some time. And we'll be using on tap function. On tap simply means if someone taps on that link or maybe a button or maybe an image, there will be some activity. So on tap, if someone clicks on tap, or if someone clicks on tap, navigator will be, not navigation bar, sorry, it will be navigator dot push. Okay, navigator dot push, and we will route the user to somewhere. So where we will be routing? We will be routing the user to material design, material page route, and we are using builder function here. And in this builder method we will be using context, and the context will be where will be redirecting the user. We will be redirecting him to, as the name of this screen is contact or card, sorry, so we'll be redirecting him to contact. Okay, this is all. And now here we have to include one more child item. Okay, and the name of that child can be this. Okay, I think I made some mistake. Child, where is this child? Let us check what is the issue. Okay, any more issue? Here is the child. Okay, this is also done. Just a minute. Okay, now it's working fine. And let's click on the drawer button and click on view card. Now we can see that our this is our contact screen. All right, so let me go back using the hardware back button, and now I'm able to see the drawer. And if I again click on view card, I'm able to see the contact. Unfortunately, I think we have linked the wrong screen. Here we should link the card screen. Okay, this is all. Let me go back and view card. Now I'm able to see the card screen here. All right, so this is all. Next, we can simply copy this codes. We can simply copy the enter code from here and use it here. Okay, and now instead of redirecting the user to cart, now we can redirect the users to orders. Why it's not working? All right, now I can see orders, and even here view orders. Okay, and on top we'll be giving the option of or the height, maybe the not height, sorry, the margin of 30 pixel. So now if I click on view orders, I'm able to go back to the order screen. Okay, and similarly if I create one more gesture detector inside a container and give the material root page to I think now we should use contact and view contact. Yeah, we can also write contact us instead of view contact. Okay, and all the other, so the top margin should be 30 pixel, and all the other containers which we simply created just to test, the text view. Now let us go back, and if I click on view card, now I'm able to go to, this is our card screen. Now I'm able to go to the card screen. If I click on orders, I'm able to go to the order screen, and if I click on contact us, I'm able to go to the contact screen. So in the next video, we'll simply create an elegant loop of the three inner screens. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe this channel for further updates.